Hi there. Today I'm going to talk to you about an app that I use in my classroom called Educreations. And basically, Educreations transforms your iPad into a recordable whiteboard. And I use the free version. It's available on the App Store or at educreations.com. And basically, it records your voice, your handwriting, and it allows you to insert pictures to produce your own video lesson that you and your students can share online. And it can be accessed from any computer or iPad. It's pretty easy to use. It makes a really good tool for assessing student knowledge. When you put something like this in the hands of your ESL students, they can show you and record their voice also to explain. So you've got both them writing it and explaining it verbally, which is really, really good. So I'm going to show you how I use it in my classroom. This is the basic screen, especially on the free version. You've got a couple different color choices for lines, an eraser, the record button where your students record their voices, and this button down here where we insert pictures. So we're going to start there by inserting a picture. I saved one earlier of a roller coaster. And when I'm teaching my unit on roller coaster physics, I like to have my students identify some of their vocabulary word and show me they understand it by locating it on a diagram. So using different colors, they might label different areas, like here at the top of the first hill, and say that potential energy is greatest here, while kinetic energy might be greatest down here at the bottom of the first hill. They can change colors. It's actually on the iPad, they use their finger to write, or a stylus. You can have them do all kinds of things, diagram which direction gravity is going, show me where velocity changes on this track. They might label it here for a change in speed or direction over the hill, and definitely a change in velocity here in this loop. So diagramming and explaining their understanding verbally through the record button and labeling a drawing and identifying is really helpful in assessing what they know. Also, I like to use Educreations during labs where students have an iPad at their lab station. They use the camera on their iPad to take pictures of something that they did in lab, like the results, and they can label it and explain it to me also and share it with the class. So to add another page to this, you click the right arrow down here to add another page. I have a picture saved earlier from a lab that we did. So let me grab that. This is a picture of a lab that we did on molecular motion where they were doing different experiments to see if they could see the change that heat or cold produced with molecular motion. And in this particular lab picture, it is of a little soap bubble from a water bottle that is resting in a hot water bath. So the heat is making the molecules move faster in the bottle, which causes those molecules to push out in this direction. So the student might label it like this, saying molecules and pressure are going this way, and smaller force of pressure going the opposite direction. Eventually, it will burst. They can tell me things about the relationship between pressure and temperature, that they're related. As temperature increases, pressure also increases. So it's kind of nice to have this tool here for students to explain and share with you and other students what's going on. It gives them a portable, recordable whiteboard called Educreations. And I think it's pretty great. And I hope you guys use it sometime. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.